Hey everybody, what makes me different than every other agent out there? I'm so glad you asked. This. Every penny of bonus commission that's being offered on the new construction homes that I'm featuring is coming back to you at closing. On top of that, we offer 4.99% fixed rate financing or 3.875 adjustable rate mortgage financing for those who qualify. Most closing costs, some people have been able to get all closing costs paid for, but most of the closing costs paid for. Refrigerator, blinds are things I've also been able to get, and as I mentioned, bonus commission anytime it's offered is being coming back to you at closing. So let's take a look inside. This home is has been price dropped and is the Isle. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 1960 square feet. And so right now they have dropped the price on this particular house. I believe it's listed at $324,900. So let's take a look inside at this beauty.